Welcome to my channel, dear friends. Today's topic of the broadcast. Big players are buying up billions, the Fusaka upgrade is on the way, but the price is down. Let's break down what's happening with Ethereum, from the activity of major holders to forecasts of $6,925. Like if you're in the loop, and let's get started. Discover Etherify, a trusted project in the field of crypto staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks, I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which speaks to the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Etherify uses advanced technology on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by confirming transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract permanent partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which is significantly higher than standard terms. My experience with Etherify confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning over $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these favorable terms while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most attractive staking rates. Let's get straight to the price. Ethereum is trading around $3,320, down 3.3% over 24 hours and 16% over the week, underperforming the overall market by 6.6%. The trading volume is $39.5 billion, but liquidations are putting pressure. Why is that? The overall market is in the red after the rally plus profit-taking. But look, the relative strength index is at 33.8, almost oversold. The moving average indicator is negative, but a hidden bullish divergence hints at a reversal. Support is at 3,200 to 3,300. If it breaks, expect a test of 2,900. Resistance is at 3,500. A breakout could take it to 3,850 or higher. The Fear and Greed Index is at 21. Fear, perfect for accumulation. The main bombshell, big players are getting involved. In just 3 days, holders bought up 394,000 Ethereum worth $1.37 billion, despite the dip below $3,300. That's 323,000 coins from large wallets, a sign of confidence. Plus, one trader increased their long position to 3,000 Ethereum. Analysts note that holders with between 1,000 and 100,000 coins have added 1.64 million coins worth $6.4 billion. Staking yields of 4.5 to 7% are enticing, with 17.5 million Ethereum staked, but inflation is up by 0.22% in the third quarter. Because of Layer 2. Lido holds 27.7%, below 33, but there are still centralization risks. Etf Inflows of $13.9 billion over the year, but just this week, $242 million from the token. A total wipeout yesterday. BlackRock and Fidelity are involved. The chances of spot ETF approval are 85% by December. Now the upgrade. The Fusaka hard fork is scheduled for December 3rd. Part of the way. It introduces PeerDAS EIP 7594. Blob capacity is increased eightfold from 6 to 48 per block. Gas limits against spam. This will accelerate Layer 2 scalability, with speeds already at 24,000 transactions per second. But here's the paradox. Layer 2 is cheaper, which means less fee burning under EIP 1559. Ethereum is losing its status as ultrasound money. The focus is on revenue. Staking is the main driver. Plus, 7 protocols, Aragon, Lido, Uniswap, have joined forces to lobby regulators for Ethereum to be classified as a commodity. Predictions? Citi notes a base case of $4,300 and $6,400 in a bull market by the end of the year. Standard Chartered writes $7,500 with DeFi and stablecoins. Tom Lee predicts $5,500 and $12,000 in 2025. CoinCodex forecasts plus 11.7% to $3,803 by December 6th. Long-term, $6,925 in 2025, over $10,000 in 2026 with ETFs and Layer 2. But there are risks. The end of the Fed's tightening is on December 1st, with a softer policy, but a government shutdown is slowing down legislation. Average holder activity is at 30 to 45%. Holders have slowed down. There's a storm in Wix posts. One analyst writes that Ethereum can handle 24,000 transactions per second thanks to Layer 2. Fusaka in December means a scalability boom. Another notes mixed signals but predicts $3,803 by December. A third predicts a breakout from $3,500 to $3,850. A fourth says a rebound to $3,500 is inevitable. The community says keep Ether in your portfolio, Fusaka will change everything. Plus, Stakewise returned $21 million after the balancer hack. This is also a boost for trust. Let's sum it up. Ether is undervalued. Its utility in DeFi, NFTs, and real-world assets could reach $10 trillion by 2030. A dip is a chance. Fusaka and major players will give it a push. Do your own research, don't FOMO. Beginners, start staking right now. What do you think, hold or short? Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Hit the bell and write in the comments whether you think Ether will rise to $4,000 or fall to $2,700. Your choice might be interesting to others. See you in the next video. Bye.